and I want to eat the rat. Oh, they are separating the tails here. The smell is pretty intense. They are making sounds. No, I don't want to walk. In this video, I'm going to make and eat world's first rat hamburger. Wow. Hello, Xin Chao, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm in very unique location, Phu Dat village. I came all the way from Poland to prepare the special dish for you. A dish which was, I believe, never made before. This place is not easy to find. It's in Mekong Delta, but yeah, this location you cannot find on the map. I had to ask my Vietnamese friend for help, and then I had to drive around and ask locals. Hello, where is the place where they produce the meat from the rat? Thank you. Bye. The whole Mekong Delta looks like this. Rivers and a lot of rice fields. And around this village, 200 families lives from producing rat meat. So the villagers, they make a deal with the rat hunters. Rat hunters are bringing the rats in those cages. It's kind of like mouse, but they call it rat here. You see? Oh, they are making sounds. In those cages, they are also segregated by the size and the type. And of course, those rats are different from the city rats. They are more clean and they eat mostly fruits, rice, grains, only organic stuff. Those are ones. In the city, the rats are eating all kind of trash and they are spreading disease. But those rats, apparently, they are safe to eat. They are healthy rats. But also angry. I parked my bike just by the road. And everybody is super friendly so far. Other YouTubers, they have a crew, they have a cameraman, translator. I have just my hands, camera and Google Translator. Let me find the place where they produce the meat. And I think that might be the place. Alright, so they are separating the tails here. Oh, this is how the production looks like. Putting them here and then chopping off. So yeah, here are the cages. This is the production house. The smell is pretty intense, I have to say. But yeah, this is a big business here. Many people are making a lot of money from that. Okay, they told me to walk. No, I don't want to walk. Okay, thank you. They are separating the ears, removing the skin. Those one are it is pretty extreme, I would say. Moving the parts, washing the rats, I guess. Damon, thank you so much. Wow, that was intense. The even splashed on my camera lens, I had to clean it. To be honest, I didn't expect this. I'm a little bit shocked. Let's find the restaurant and let's try to make that dish. Seeing that and smelling, but yeah, I think I can. I asked already 2 places and they are like confused. And the whole place really charming. She told the guys that I want to make a hamburger from rat and they are confused. 30 minutes now I'm explaining this and it is difficult, but maybe. Okay.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
She agreed to do it. I told her to grind the meat and she told me the rat meat is not good for that. Let's see. I parked my bike just next to the ears, I think. It's hard to tell if they like the idea or not, but let's see. So this is the master chef, I am as well. I think we will cook soon. Yeah, they don't look so healthy, to be honest. I came all the way, so we have to try. Inside. Keep it fresh, not like this one. I'm a little bit scared, but also excited. Master chef is taking her time. She's Yeah, we will eat a fresh rat. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, I think it's enough. Damn. In order not to get the disease, they have to be properly cleaned, which I will leave to them. And I hope that they know what they're doing, but probably yes. She gave rats in the ice to the guy. And here they produce the rat meat and they are shipping it to all over Vietnam. They even import rats from Cambodia. It might look violent, scary, but we eat meat every day. Of course, not everybody, but most of the people. And here actually the rat meat is considered being delicate. But the vibes are kind of like, what the hell is this foreigner doing here? And I don't wonder. This is the house I'm waiting. Xin chào. Being in a place like that, in the end of the world, it really makes me think my life is totally different. But I'm also super flexible. If you tell me like, from now on you have to live here, work, after 1 week I will be already driving a scooter, having a girlfriend and a bunch of friends. Trust me on this one. I got 1000 looks today, by the way. Confused, but very friendly looks. The lady is a businesswoman. She's making multiple deals, and I was invited to the house. Thank you. What's your name? Hi. Hi. Thank you. I take off my shoes, yeah? Come on. They invited me to the house. Xin chào. Hi. Kitchen. Here I have to wash the hands. He's washing the feet. Oh, he got a slap. The girl is in the charge, yeah. They told me to check the height of the door and I'm hired. We go somewhere else. This house is huge. So this is the another kitchen. Salt and sugar. I wanted to make a patty first. It is what it is. No. No. He's all the time trying to take my camera. Let me check the consistency. The boy is very naughty. The grandmother is like slapping him all the time, but he's like running away. And they have a graveyard on their backyard. No. But why am I doing this dish? It's because when I was a kid, when I was his age, I saw in the Polish TV movie called Demolition Man. It was with Sylvester Stallone, Wesley Snipes, classic science fiction movie from the 90s. It's a future, it's a perfect world, there is no crime, and also people doesn't eat meat. But in the canals, underground, there is a resistant movement. In that place is like an old world, and Sylvester Stallone is ordering a hamburger.
No, hey, just relax. All I want's a burger and a beer if you got one.
He eats a burger and the lady tells him,
"Do you see any cows around here, detective?"
And it turns out that he is eating a rat hamburger.
Rat. This is a rat burger. Not bad.
I didn't think that it was something like I want to try, but for sure, it stayed in my mind. So because of that, I watched this movie in Poland more than 25 years ago. I'm here now in Delta Mekong. I don't know if they will let me cook in the end. This is the true fusion cuisine. We do have some starch. Maybe we will have a patty after all. The girl is helping, mom is having tons of money. Oi, oi. That's very unusual solution for the sink. A bit more. Should be this size. This already looks like a burger. Okay, you deserved it. Oh no, 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 no. No, no, no hitting girls, no. She is really good chef. Imagine somebody is coming from Poland to the village in Vietnam saying, okay, let's make a hamburger. And she was like, she had the idea, I saw she used many spices. She's good.
No.
Okay, so she doesn't have a bread, no vegetables either. I will go and buy now. Maybe some cheese if I can find in this village. So near the village there is a small town, main road, and unfortunately they do have a supermarket here. Thank you. Some tomatoes, onion, I cannot really see the traditional ketchup, but chinsu, the spicy sauce, will do the job. There is a chance for cheese. Yeah, it's my brother. Lettuce, maybe this one. I love her outfit. I have everything except of the bread. Cheese was expensive. Vinmart is my favorite store in Vietnam because they do have a non-alcoholic beer. I got the beers, but not bread yet. The guy from the Vinmart is trying to help me with the bread. That's why it's my favorite store. I guess it's going to be a fusion, just the traditional Vietnamese bread. Come on, thank you. Bread! This bread is actually very, very good. Of course, it's not a hamburger bread, but it will do. This groceries is already 5 times more the price if I will just buy the hamburger somewhere on the street. But this is not the point. One of the beers got destroyed. It's hard to drive with the groceries on the motorcycle. I'm rescuing what I can. They are shocked. No. My stalker is back. Chaos. He is telling me to beat him, but I am against violence. But maybe it's the only way in this case. Oh my god, he's stalking me even when I use the toilet. It is the hardest kitchen environment. The guy is taking the knife, taking the camera. No chopping board either. It's the knife, it's dangerous. Come on. Don't. The master chef came and she gave me the chopping board. Banh mi. I wish I had a knife for the bread. But actually this is pretty wild that I'm in somebody's house, they are letting me in and they are letting me cut the bread. The veggies and bread are prepared. I need to, of course, clean the kitchen, and let's do it. So I cleaned, but in Poland we have. In Poland we keep the trash under the sink, but in this case this is not possible. This is epic. Rats everywhere, sunset, grandfather, come on. Wow, business is on. Okay, I'm very happy. Grandfather said he wants to try. They are processing the rats over here. Wow. I made the first one for the elderly man, for the respect of course, and now I will make one for myself. Oh, you finished. Good. Okay, tomatoes. The patty and the cheese. So this is actually a rat cheeseburger. Wow. This is the world's first rat cheeseburger. Let's try. This is amazing. And look at the scenery. Unbelievable. So it is actually very, very good. So she grounded the meat with the bones, I guess, but the bones were pretty small. So I can feel it, but it's like not affecting the food at all. And actually the consistency of the meat is kind of buttery. I would say it's closer to the chicken burger than to the beef hamburger, but it's very good. I can't believe that this happened in one day. And of course, the burger goes good with the beer. Oh, that was the bone. It was so good that I ate 2 of those actually. It's kind of greasy, also like fat, you know? Something different, but not very, very far from ordinary meat. One of the workers would like to try as well. I will make one for him. Oh. Of course, I'm leaving all the ingredients in the house. Oh, come on. Thank you. The family who works here, they are so kind. I except of the boy. Oh, so good. It turned out that the movie wasn't fake. As Sylvester Stallone said, it was good. If I would make it for you, you wouldn't know. I'm very sorry. But me and the grandfather, we just ate your cousin. And the guy behind me, he told me he will eat this hamburger, but he has to work now. So after he will finish. They are pretty busy. They are working all the time. Gabon, thank you. Thank you so much. The grandpa is the coolest. Please eat the hamburger after you finish job.
Hãy ăn hamburger sau khi
Okay? Yeah, the smell is pretty intense. And those are the biggest. And you see different sizes. Okay?
Okay.
200. Come on. And when I was driving here, I stopped by the coffee. It was really good. The lady spoke little English. At the end, she told me, you don't have to pay for the coffee, it's on me. And she treated me with the coffee. I really insisted, I wanted to pay, and she said, no, it's okay. And I was like, damn, this is a good karma, and I have to give it to next person. So that's why I just gave this lady $80, which is, yeah, probably more than I was supposed to. This is how much I usually pay for one night in the hotel room, private room. Actually, I would give her more, but I don't have more cash on me. I have 50 more, but that's emergency. I'm so full of rats now. For sure, that was a very unique culinary experience. Also cultural. Imagine letting somebody inside of your house and in your kitchen. Somebody who's just like vlogging on the street. This is amazing. That's why I love Vietnam. Thank you so much for today. And if you enjoyed this video, you can leave a subscription, like and comment. And be sure to check next episode because I still have a lot to show from this beautiful country. See you in next video. Peace. Ooh. Wow!